Are you guys tired of fighting with the lighting when it comes to taking pictures or footage of collectibles, figures, or just any item in general? Well, you're going to want to check out this item. So if you didn't catch it during the unboxing, this is a 24-inch by 24-inch photo box. Comes with a power supply, 4 LED light panel, 1 light diffusion cloth, and 6 colored backdrops. The colors are yellow, green, black, red, white, and blue. So this is how you install the diffusion cloth. Just velcros across the top, and then you put the lid back down and that'll velcro over the diffusion cloth, and there you go. So another cool thing about this box light is the doors. It has 4 of them. The little one here, it has the next one, which is like the medium. It has a large one if you drop the whole panel, and it also has the one up top. If you also take a look, you'll see that silver film on the inside that helps distribute the light across your object. Another good feature about this box light is the square LED lights. Instead of having 2 strips like a lot of box light, it has 4. This helps prevent shadowing and hot spots. So to install the black drops that they give you, there's 2 Velcro patches up top. You just secure it and let it hang down the back side and across the floor of the box light. So here I'm going to show you the color temperature and strength of the LED lights. You can go from a 2 watt to a 60 watt LED light strength. You can also adjust the color temperature from around 3000 K, which is a warm white light, to a cool white at around 6500 K. As you can see, the object looks really clear, crisp, and nice. I really like this design of this box light. It's well put together, good material, and I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I mean, as you can see, folds up nice and quick. All your compartments hold everything that comes with it, and it has room for a little extra. And if you roll up the backdrops really tight, you can fit them in the pocket. You're all good to go. Hope you guys got something out of this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe. and I'll see you guys next time.